This is the next addition to my Macintosh computer collection. This is a PowerMac G3 desktop computer. The CPU is in that case. That's the only thing that came. I had to borrow the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse from another computer in order to get this to run. This particular computer is running OS 8.6, has 64 megabytes of RAM, and a 4 gigabyte hard drive. It has a 1.4 megabyte floppy drive on the top, and it has a CD-ROM tray on the bottom, but the CD-ROM tray is not functioning. So we're going to go ahead and power up this machine for everyone out there listening in on YouTube. The green light is on and the hard drive is beginning to be read. And the screen is coming up. This particular computer, I've already had a look at it. It has nothing on it except internet and utility software for the Mac OS. 4 gigabyte hard drive with 3.7 gigabytes of available space. Computer's up and running. About this computer: Mac OS computer, Mac OS 8.6, 64 megabytes of built-in memory, 65 megabytes of virtual memory used on PowerMac G3. Largest unused block is 53 meg. The Mac OS uses 12.1 meg. And that's about this computer. About the hard drive. Here we have PowerMac G3 is the name of the drive, 4 gigabyte capacity, available 3.7, used 258 megabytes on disk. And that is the hard drive. We also have some speech functions as well, so I'll highlight this little introduction that the computer is going to give us. Have a listen.
I am a PowerMac G3 computer. I am running Mac OS 8.6 and I have a 4 gigabyte hard drive. I also have 64 megabytes of RAM. I am a working vintage Mac.
The hard drive itself just has system folder, internet, Apple extras, applications, really only has a CD audio player, which isn't going to do me much good with a CD tray that's not working, QuickTime, and Simple Text. And then we have our utilities, our installer logs, and saved web pages. And that's pretty much it for this PowerMac G3. So this is the 4th out of 6 computers that I got for $31 on eBay from a guy locally in town. I have a PowerMac 6100 sitting back here, which I can't get a monitor to work for because it has a different type of monitor video output. I have a monitor sitting back over there on the kitchen counter, which is dead, and way back over there, over the top of the dishwasher, is an Apple LaserWriter laser printer that came with the deal. And there is I still have a lot of stuff: keyboards, a zip drive, adapters, cords, mice, as well as an external hard drive, printer, and scanner over here that I've got to figure out how to hook up. And I also have a Mac Classic 2 that came with this that has bad seated RAM and the video display isn't working. So I'm going to try to figure out how to get those working so that I can video those in YouTube as well. Don't know how long that's going to take or even if it's going to happen. But on the way, I have a Mac iBook clamshell, a 4th Macintosh Plus computer system. I have an iMac G3 in my office, which I'll need to video for all of you. And I have a bid out on an SC30 and a bid out on another iMac G3. And I also have another PowerBook 180 laptop, a second PowerBook 180 coming. So quite a number of vintage Mac computers now in my collection. Now I've just got to figure out where I'm going to put them all. Enjoy.